before the revolution in Odessa there were 40 or 50 synagogues and multiple worship houses. And there's still a beautiful synagogue, which there's being occupied. After the revolution, it was occupied and became a city archive, and it's still there. The archives are still there in this building. Beautiful building. Just got, the other day, I got an email. I'm getting tons of emails. An email about the synagogue, about this building. Beautiful, absolutely the center of the city. And there was an organ, there was, you know, it was absolutely gorgeous. So after the revolution, everything was either destroyed, by the way, the churches too. Everything, you know, nothing to do with religion. Religion is, Lenin was saying, religion is opium for the people. Yes. And so there was one small synagogue in Odessa, after all this, you know, amounts which were before the revolution, one small synagogue at the part of the city where mostly blue-collar workers lived and worked, a small one. Just few people were able to fit inside of the synagogue. But at high holidays, there were services, and people would gather outside the synagogue, Jewish people, and my parents went there too.
Did you go there?
No, never. The first time in my entire life I went to a synagogue when we immigrated. We left the Soviet Union, Odessa, by train, August 7, 1976. And we crossed the border, and it was a different story. It was how much we had trouble over there at the customs. Oh, it was unbelievable. So we crossed this borders of the Soviet Union in Czech Republic, and we were in Vienna Vienna, Austria, for 8 days. 8 days we spent in Vienna. It was an experience. It was absolutely marvelous, different experience, very emotional. And there was the first time when we went to a synagogue. It was Shabbat services, Friday evening. In Vienna, you know, Austrians are kind of anti-Semitic too. There was a lot of Jews before the World War II, but a lot of them were exterminated, sent to concentration camps, and synagogues were destroyed and stuff like that. And there was one synagogue, so we went there, and it was guarded by mafia because they were afraid of terrorists. And it was Hasidic synagogue or whatever, you know, women were upstairs. It was a huge synagogue, huge hall, you know, beautiful. And women were upstairs, men were downstairs. And when they were praying, when they were singing, it seemed to me like it was an opera. I thought it's an opera. This was the first time in my entire life. I was 40 years old.